Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 1 Zoom in the racing blue colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Dressed in a white and racer blue color scheme, this Air Jordan 1 High comes constructed in a mixed mesh, patent leather, tumbled leather, and translucent TPU overlays. Other details include a Zoom tag on the lateral side, along with Zoom Air branding on the tongues and insoles. So the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Racer Blue released on March 14th at select retailers. The retail price tag was set at $175. Now the Jordan 1 Zoom has released before in a Fearless colorway. I did review that sneaker as well as did a lace swap on that shoe. That one came out with a full 3M upper. To be able to get the full upper to be reflective, they had to use that 3M material that really just creases very easily, and the shoe really didn't end up looking that great. I actually returned my pair to Nike after getting them in hand and wearing them one time. I was so disappointed with the creasing. So when I found out they were coming out with an Air Jordan 1 Zoom with normal Jordan 1 upper, I was super hyped, especially with this colorway. This colorway is very simple. It's just a clean colorway. Got the shoes right here. First off, you got the normal Jordan 1 box. I'm not gonna go over this. We'll get right into the sneakers. So I just gotta say, this shoe has really impressed me. When I bought it, I was just kind of, you know, whatever. It looks like a nice shoe. It is a Jordan 1. I do like Jordan 1s a lot. They're some of my main go-to sneakers in the rotation. I constantly wear them. I wear them to the gym. I wear them everywhere. The Jordan 1 model is just such a classic. You really can't go wrong with it. But I did not realize how nice it was actually gonna be in hand. I am super impressed. Just taking a closer look at all the Zoom little add-ons. It's just insane. I absolutely love all the translucent running along the sneaker. You got some up on the tongue. Got the lettering in gray. It kind of has a sparkle to it. I really see this shoe as like a cool gray Jordan 1 with some blue in it. Yeah, looking closer at the upper, you got white underlays. This definitely isn't high quality leather, but it's just some white, lower quality leather, kind of expected on your normal Jordan 1s. You got that on the toe box as well. Then the whole toe outerlay is this gray patent leather. Now, one of my favorite parts is this Nike swoosh. The Nike swoosh is full translucent. I don't know about you guys, but I actually love that part about the sneaker, as well as the flaps up by the heel. So you do have the Air Jordan Wings logo in white over this translucent tab. You got the Zoom tag in black and white. Now the heel section is also translucent, but you can tell there is some like gray underneath it. So this shoe does come with white laces already on the sneaker. It also comes with an extra pair of pink laces. I actually think this shoe is gonna look pretty good with pink laces. Honestly, that's just kind of been the trend ever since Travis Scott has thrown the pink laces into his sneakers. And I've seen a lot of people throw it on different Jordan 1s that have nothing to do with Travis Scott, or just different Nike sneakers, and it honestly looks really good. It adds that little extra flair to the shoe. You're more likely to break some necks.
Hey Lois, what's going on here?
Oh, it's my book club, Peter. Come, join us.
Oh, okay.
So I will be doing a full separate video for a lace swap, where I'll pretty much go the white laces, the pink laces, I'll throw in some black, some blue. I really think this shoe is gonna look best with some gray laces. I will try to find some gray laces, throw them on the sneaker, because I think that's gonna be the best look. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Now in this video, I will show you guys an on foot look. Let's just look at this outsole real quick. So it is your normal Jordan 1 outsole, except for it's translucent and you can see the red and blue color scheme going on the bottom. You also have a bunch of little black Z's representing the Zoom technology, because there is full Zoom in this outsole. You got a white midsole. So the shoe is definitely going to be way more comfortable than Jordan 1s. Just because of the added material in the outsole, I feel this shoe does come out being a little snug. So if you do have, say, a wide foot, I would say try going up half a size. But yeah, with that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move.
Yeah, wow, where we at now? I don't really got no time to play around. Wow, making beats up in my playground. Since I was a kid, I knew I always had to make sound. I've been trying to find me really well. Wow, silly yo, I be gone like Cheerio. Really though, swear we finna get the gold. You the goat, but the most been getting old. Standing still, yeah, I'm getting way too cold.
Living in hell, molecular cell. Go down with my niggas, won't none of us tell. I need a W, I just took a L. But you know I'ma bounce right back. Niggas be hating, that shit be so whack. Get to that bag, little nigga. No one wanna see you win, not even your friend. That's why I stay to myself. I exercise my mind like a gym. Talking about God, they thinking you him. Look at yourself, are you really here? Sometimes I wish I could just disappear. And I got his main bitch in the rear, that's for Rambo. And you know we pull up in that camo. And we smoking these niggas like camels. In Egypt, I just pull up on camels. Said I'm sorry, baby, I'm an animal. Is there anything?
Bam. There you guys have it, the Jordan 1 Zoom in the Racer Blue colorway. Let me know what you think of this shoe on feet. Did you go for this sneaker? Are you gonna buy this shoe now that you've seen the review? Definitely let me know all that good stuff down in the comment section below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.